Tubers. Well, I only do car repair videos when I have car problems. And 2018 RAV4 needs some brakes. Now you're gonna have to bear with me because I've only got one good arm. This one's shoulder's shot. But I've been told by the doctors I need to start moving it while they finish waiting for the next scan test. Who knows what they'll do to me. Probably just tell me, suck it up, life is pain. And boy, ain't that the truth. Okay, well, I went on Rock Auto, got some pads. Car dealer wanted to charge my wife $400, but maybe they're gonna resurface, re-rotor, rebuild, I don't know. Anyways, let me jack this puppy up, get the wheel off, a jack stand underneath, and we'll see what we got. Well, okay, I've got the wheel off, and actually this looks like a pretty standard, rotor feels pretty nice. A pretty standard Toyota brake setup. 2 bolts in the back, hold the caliper on, pop it off, squeeze it back, slip some new crap in. Bob's your uncle. Hey, this could be a Bob's your uncle job. Also, just so you know, I've got a jack under the swing arm. I've got a jack stand at the jacking point, which is sitting on, and I've also got the tire stuffed under the edge of the car, so I'm plenty safe. Okay, let me get some tools, and I should go in the house and get the parts, and we'll get this going. Hopefully, I ordered the right parts from Rock Auto. Well, I'm back with some tools. I just hope I have enough power to break this shit free. I'm going to guess it's a 14 millimeter. Everything in my world seems to be 14 millimeter on these trucks. 10, 12, 14, sometimes a 17. I think I've used a 19 once. Okay, here we go. Yeah. 14 it is. Rightsy tightsy, leftsy loosey. Oh God, and I got to go up with it. All right, how am I going to do that? Because that's my weak side now. Get in here and see if I can't push up with my left. A power left move. Nope. I have to hold the 17 millimeter on the inside. I'm twisting the boot actually. I think that's a 17 millimeter. You know, I said every now and then, you know. Well, I think I know. Here we go, a nice 17 mil right here. Don't tell me my 17 mil is too fat. That one fits in. Okay, I got one that fits in there. I could have gone to the truck tools if I needed. I think what I want to do is turn this back a little bit. to get the nut to spin. Hopefully that will lock up against something that will let me push. Here we go, it's locked up. And it just broke free. This was a drop forged steel wrench. You know they're the best because they're the crappy ones. Okay. When I push up on it, that's not going to hit on anything. That barely goes in. Let's see if I can turn that down a little bit. No, I won't be able to turn it down because it's torqued to spec tight. If anything, all I'll be able to do is turn it up. Okay, let me get in here where I can put a power move on this thing. Oh, it broke free. Okay, they're both broken free. You know, I actually need something, a bungee cord or something, so I can hang the caliper. I'll be back when I've got the caliper off and we can look at all this together. Okay. I got a bungee cord. Let me pop this sucker. Well, let's see. One more thing I need. So I can try to be just a little bit professional. I'm going to have the magnetic tray here for the stuff. Yeah, I got to tell you, I think from this moment forward, I'm really left-handed. I just don't want to admit it yet. And I still have the Kung Fu grip on the left hand. Well, there you go. Bob's your uncle. Just came right off. Now I'm hooking the bungee cord to the caliper, and we will hang it right up here nice and safe out of the way. Once I'm done, we set the camera over here out of the way. It's probably going to pop right in now that I can see what the hell I'm doing. Or, ow, the car will fall, I will be collapsed dead, and won't have to worry about any of this shit anymore. It's rough when you've only got one hand. It's rough when you only have one hand. Bingo, Bob's your uncle. It's in. Caliper compression tools and stuff. But if all you've got is a big ass C-clamp, you'll be fine. Okay, I believe that's good. Man, all right. Oh, that's right. I lowered it down to sneak the thing. Well, maybe she's a hanger. Tubers. Well, for anybody crazy enough to watch this video all the way to the end, here's an update for you. I just got a call from the doctors, my last MRI. I have a major tear in my rotary cuff, and Monday I'll be talking to a surgeon. Son of a bitch. 6 weeks in a sling and a 3-month total, down recovery time. Woo! Gonna put a kink in my plans. But that's life, and I guess I've got insurance because I'm old.